Hello everyone, welcome back to the solutions for the ACET 2024 December exam. We're at question 7. Question 7 is a simple question on AP. Well, it's technically not even a question on AP, it's just a question on simultaneous equations. Question 8 is dependent on vectors, so we'll solve it as well. Question 7 asks for a very simple value of A 2024. Okay, so A 202 is equal to 4 and A4 is equal to 202, then find A 2024. Okay, so very simple ask. Now A4 is A plus 3D. If D is the common difference, this is given to be 202, and A 202 is A plus 201D, right? This is equal to 4. Okay, so if I do the subtraction, what will I get? I'll get minus 198D is equal to 198, right? So that would give me D equal to minus 1. If D is equal to minus 1, then A 2024 would be equal to, okay, before that we need to find A also, right? So A plus 3 into minus 1 is 202. So A should be equal to 205. Okay, we are starting from 205. So A 2024 will be A plus 2023D, right? So it will be 205 minus 2023. Now at this point you do the subtraction and get your answer, as simple as that. So 2023 minus 205, this is clearly 18, this is clearly 18, so minus, therefore minus 1818. Option A is the correct answer. Okay, very simple question. You just had to solve the simultaneous equation, put the values and get the answer. No fancy tricks here. Question 8. Question 8 is on vectors, and you can just use the vector identities to solve it. So which vector identity are you going to use? We are going to use this vector identity on the addition of squares. Okay, so we would do this modulus of a plus, well, it's not a modulus, right? This is magnitude whole square plus magnitude of a minus b whole square is equal to twice into a square plus b square. I hope you know how this is derived. This is basically a square plus b square plus 2ab cos theta, right? And this is a square plus b square minus 2ab cos theta. Alright, so this gets cancelled and you end up with modulus of a whole square plus modulus of b whole square times 2. Alright, this is how this is obtained. And what do we have here? We have this m be the sum of magnitudes of vectors. So this is capital M and this is small m, right? So what do we have here? This is extremely easy, m equal to 2m, so therefore we have option C. Okay, again, extremely easy questions. You just needed to know the properties of vectors and how you can substitute the vectors in their magnitude format. Okay, all of these are class 11 standard problems. So if you need any help revising this portion of the syllabus, please contact the numbers given on the banner. The number you can see, the mobile number, has WhatsApp enabled, so you can drop a message there. Our team will look into it. If you want, you can also send an email to the email ID that is mentioned. Our team monitors both of these contact points, so you can expect a reply to your query. If you have any comment, suggestion or feedback or something like that for this particular video, do not hesitate to use the comment section on YouTube. The video description for this on YouTube will also contain the details about the exam as well as our institute, so you can take the contact numbers from there and get in touch with us as well. Do not hesitate to contact us for any academical help you might need. Our team will respond to you and we will get you all the help that is needed. With that being said, I'll end this video here. Thank you all for joining and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye. Take care.